Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we have my brothers.
Lucas.
No, and Anthony. That will be cut out. Or it'll be censored, I don't know. That is Anthony. And why is my camera look bad? And today we're trying the Crumble cookies, the Kardashian Crumbl cookies from this week's Crumble. Oh my gosh, we didn't get the cute...
restart?
No. We didn't get the cute Crumble box that's beige, so we have the boring box. Yeah, because like the Kardashians get like a beige one for the 6-pack, but we're not that big backed. So we just got this one. We got Kim's Snickerdoodle cookie, Courtney's gluten-free chocolate cake thing with 3 raspberries on it. They were like so annoying at the actual thing. Like they made all of these like kind of bad, but it's fine. And then there's the Skillet cookie. I think that's, what's her name? No, it's not Courtney. I'm trying to remember the name. I'll put it on the screen. And then we have Kendall's 1,000-calorie cookie dough cookie. So first we're gonna cut all of them. Some ASMR for you guys. Like a lot of frosting on it. I don't know if it's just regular frosting or what, but we're gonna cut that. Anthony, do you want to try this one?
I'm good.
You?
I'll try to bite.
Okay. That is my slice. Wow. Okay. Wait. Mine is like so skinny. I don't know if I'm gonna taste it. 3, 2, wait.
Take it, sink it. Oh crap.
Alright, you guys looking. That's fun. It's pretty good.
It tastes good.
Yes. I'd give that, it's like just a regular chocolate cookie with frosting, but it's really good. But maybe don't eat all of that. Like
eat all of
one cookie slice. But if you're like sharing it, like we are, I think it's really good. I give that a 10 out of 10. No complaints, TBH. He's being really annoying. He doesn't want to try anything, so this is your fair warning. He's just kind of here for display. Okay, next cookie, we have Courtney's gluten-friendly. What's it called?
Gluten-friendly.
Chocolate cake. I've heard bad things about this.
It sounds like Chinese.
Oh my gosh. Okay. But this cookie, it's not a cookie, it's a cake. I saw a compilation on TikTok of like people saying how bad it was and like someone throwing it at a wall. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be great, but
why? Why are they throwing it at walls?
Because it like tasted horrible. This one guy, only one guy did. I'll like put the video up.
It's probably so.
But no, it wasn't. It was a regular guy.
What?
Who wants this? Anthony doesn't. Do you want?
Oh, a piece.
Okay.
A small piece.
This is like crazy, like chocolatey. Satisfying. Oh, I think it even has like raspberries in the. You can't see it. In the actual cake. That's good. Okay. No, my piece. It's really soft and crumbly. I hope it's like actually cooked because sometimes they've been giving out
Anthony, give me a fork.
raw cookies. We're gonna try it and actually let's get our piece. And we get a little piece of strawberry, the topping. It's like kind of a mess. I can't pick it up. 3, 2, 1. I just fell on my hand. It's not even bad. This is pretty good too. this soft because it's a flourless cake, but it's pretty good, honestly. I don't know what the TikTok's talking about. Moving on, we have Kendall's cookie dough cookie.
This one?
I have a feeling this is what Anthony's gonna try. It is. Okay. Why are you acting like that? He's the dough boy.
Stop.
He acted like the dough boy in the commercials. Have you seen those? Okay.
The boy was like, oh.
He's just laughing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's Anthony's.
Dude, you might be the dough boy.
Look at you with that.
Yeah.
I'll take this back. Ow. I didn't cut you. Oh my gosh. 3, wait, no, Anthony. Look, we're gonna cheers. Cheers. 3, 2, 1. I think that's cream cheese frosting.
Good, verified.
Tasted good.
Indeed. Yes,
I
yeah.
think it's a little too sweet for me, but it's pretty good.
Tastes like cookie dough.
It's just a lot of cookie.
So when I took a bite of the cookie, it
Tastes a lot cookie.
tasted like
Has a residue from the last cookie.
Brother ate like the tiniest. Didn't even eat anything. I don't think so.
residue.
See that side. The residue.
From Courtney's gluten-friendly cake. I love saying gluten-friendly. Okay, moving on. The last one. The saddest looking one. Oh, did he make that? Oh. That's how he got in trouble in middle school lunchroom. Moving on, we have the Snickerdoodle cookie. Kim's. This one does not look like the picture. I think they scammed me and they didn't give the like cinnamon syrup thing on it, but I don't really care. So, Anthony, do you want this one?
I'll try
It's cinnamon, you'll like it, I think. I'm gonna like up the volume on that and zoom in on you. Why is he laughing so much? Okay, he's being really weird right now.
Alright, chat.
He's not used to being on camera. Okay, Anthony, you get the biggest piece because you need to fatten up. It's gonna fall. You have to hold it. Okay. I'll give you this piece of actual frosting, and then I get crumbles. 3, 2, 1.
Grainy. I'm gonna be honest. It tastes like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch one.
No, this is better. The cinnamon
Brings
toast
me
crunch-
back to my childhood when I was crushing 3 pounds
nostalgia
of cinnamon
is
toast crunch
hitting.
every week.
It's actually fire. It's really good. That's also a. What? That's a 10. Yeah.
So 9.5. Pretty big.
Some
8.5 is 3.5 points above average. Okay. What is your ranking?
I probably like that one the best out of these.
Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. That was our Crumble review. Sorry for this kid being here. It's a little weird. But I'll see you guys on the next one.